This is my daughter's 2008 Honda CR-V. The black trim is in really good shape, but it's got this one spot here that looks really bad on this fender. Where it looks nice is where I just tried a small amount of product that I want to show you. This is a Epic Revive New Trim and Cladding Restore. It's a liquid. You just put it on a microfiber cloth and wipe it on and walk away, and it's done. You don't wipe it off or anything. So I'm just gonna put some of the liquid on a microfiber cloth and do that one fender. I'm gonna show it to you. So look at how it looks right now. So this is 13 years old. So just put some on that microfiber, wiped it on right there. It just goes on easy and you don't wipe it off. I may try to hit that spot one more time. That might be paint or something, I don't know. It looks really good. Very easy to use. That one bad spot I did again, instead of paint, I think it's probably where it was scraped or something, but yeah, it really pretty much covered it up. Looks very good. I'm very impressed.